So what are we gonna do, Jackson?
Shoot the rocket.
We're gonna shoot the rocket into the sky.
Yeah.
Okay?
Way up the sky.
Way up in the sky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's stop. Get my turn! Get my turn!
Oh, the parachute works!
Look! I shot it!
Oh my God, it's way up there.
You're not gonna get that back.
Get me out!
Oh my God, it's going over the mountain.
It's falling!
You're not gonna ever get that back.
It's falling to you! Oh, it's gonna hit the trailer!
We're gonna have to go mountain climbing.
Me and you, we have to go get it. I'm gonna go get it. Somewhere. I made a heart.
You made a heart.
I know how to make a heart. My son taught me that.
Oh my God.
I found it. I just need to dig it up.
John, might be glass.
No.
Holy crap, whatever that is, it's big. So it's Sunday the 20th, January 20th. And I put little red ribbons and made him a little track. Oh, oh. Go-kart's running good. We got a perfect campsite. Boy, he likes going downhill because it's fast. Around the rock, around the rock. Around the rock. Around the rock. Oh, he went the wrong way. Around the rock. Look at him go. He doesn't even use the brake, he just uses gas and that's it. He's 4.5. Be 5 in April. This is January. So he's pretty strong for a little guy. That's a lot of go-kart. That's 6.5 horsepower. This billet rod and jetted carb and intake and header. So it's got a little more horsepower than a regular 6 horsepower. Just put a brand new clutch, max torque clutch and chain. I put some lube on there. Uh-oh, he's cheating. He just roosted me in the face. A bunch of mud. He keeps looking back. Whoo, it's bumpy right here. This way, this way, this way. This way. Oh, he don't listen. He likes going through the rough stuff. Go! I used to have 2 boats. I had 2 aluminum boats, and I always got 2 used for 2 fishing boats, so I traded one for a guitar, an amplifier, and this go-kart. When I got the go-kart, the motor was not running, but I already had a motor, so I put it on the go-kart. It's too small for me, but it's perfect for kids. He's just loving it.